Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Manteca local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the right long-distance moving company should be easy. We offer the right options for you and allow you to choose what you want for your move. Whether your destination is 100 miles away or 3,000 miles, we are here to help. We can even offer the following moving services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might seem difficult to rationalize the cost of hiring a California moving company. However, when you realize the time you will save, it can become worth it very fast. Along with saving time, you will have professionals to handle your things. This means they will be well protected, and you won't have to risk injury by doing any heavy lifting. Hiring professional movers, such as 3 Movers, means you will also get a streamlined moving day. We can help you get moved in much faster, even if you're just going a few hours away. A move that might take you several days, we can handle in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Manteca moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.